People often get Medicare and Medicaid confused, and I'll be the first to admit, before I started doing this for a living, as far as the elder law piece, I got them confused too, because I was like, well, it's for old people, and I was in my 30s, so I wasn't old. But here's the facts. There are misconceptions about what Medicare and Medicaid do. There's misconceptions about the quality of services that you receive on Medicare or Medicaid. And so I'll do my best in a short period of time to kind of dispel some of those misconceptions. So the first thing, let's define what is Medicare and what is Medicaid. Well, Medicare is health care for everyone over 65. There are some, rules about what you need to do to qualify, but generally speaking, if you've been in this country and you've put into the system and you've worked, you are likely going to be eligible for Medicare. And that covers things like doctor visits, hospital stays, things like that. And oftentimes that leaves you with a copay, which gets us into the whole supplement thing. I've done some videos on that. So Medicare is really like health insurance. When you're working, you probably have a private plan or an individual plan if you're self-employed. And then once you turn 65, the government takes care of some of the healthcare costs for you. But where the challenge is when people get dementia, they fall and break a hip and they need extended care, whether that be in-home care, assisted living, memory care, skilled nursing. They think like, well, mom's over 65, she has Medicare, so she fell and broke the hip and she needs to be in a nursing home the rest of her life. That's covered by Medicare. It's health coverage. And unfortunately, that is not the case. When it comes to extended in-home care, assisted living, memory care, and certainly skilled nursing, Medicaid is the thing that covers it, not Medicare. But to qualify for Medicaid, you have to be indigent, as the government dictates, which has an income cap for the last few days of this year is set at $2,523 per month gross income and an asset cap of $2,000 of countable assets. So not everyone automatically, in fact, I would say many, if not most Americans don't qualify for Medicaid initially. That's what elder law attorneys do. We allow our clients to legally and legitimately shelter their excess income and assets from the Medicaid analysis and allow Medicaid to kick in before you actually go broke. I'll post more information on this, but don't confuse Medicare, Medicaid. Medicaid provides long-term care for the indigent, which we can get you indigent. Medicare does traditional things that your health insurance would cover. Have a great day.